Ever wondered how to transform your website from ordinary to extraordinary? If the answer is yes, then WordPress plugins are the magic tools you're looking for. These multifaceted tools can upgrade your website and streamline your tasks, making your life a whole lot easier. First up, we have Yoast SEO. This plugin is a game changer for anyone serious about search engine optimization. Yoast SEO helps you create content that's both SEO friendly and engaging for your audience. It offers keyword optimization, readability checks, and even a snippet preview of how your post will look in search results. Second on our list is Jetpack. Jetpack is like a Swiss Army knife of WordPress plugins. It offers a plethora of features for security, performance, and site management. From real-time backups to spam protection to social sharing features, Jetpack has got you covered. Then we have WooCommerce. If you're running an online store, WooCommerce is a must-have. This plugin handles everything from product listing to checkout, making it easier than ever to manage your online store. Number 4 is Elementor. Elementor is a drag-and-drop page builder that allows you to design stunning web pages without any coding knowledge. It's user-friendly and comes with numerous pre-designed templates to kickstart your design process. Next is Akismet. Tired of dealing with spam comments? Akismet is here to help. This plugin automatically checks and filters out spam comments, keeping your website clean and professional. Our 6th plugin is Contact Form 7. This plugin makes it remarkably easy to create and manage multiple contact forms on your website. Moving on, we have Wordfence Security. This plugin provides robust security features such as malware scanning, firewall protection, and real-time threat defense to keep your website safe and secure. Next in line is UpdraftPlus. This plugin simplifies the process of backing up and restoring your website. With UpdraftPlus, you can schedule automatic backups and store them on the cloud for easy access. The 9th plugin is Smush. Smush helps optimize your website's images, reducing their file size without compromising on quality. It's a great way to speed up your website and improve user experience. Last but not least, we have Google Analytics Dashboard for WP. This plugin allows you to monitor your website's analytics directly from your WordPress dashboard, providing valuable insights into your audience's behavior. To recap, the 10 powerful plugins we discussed today are Yoast SEO, Jetpack, WooCommerce, Elementor, Akismet, Contact Form 7, Wordfence Security, UpdraftPlus, Smush, and Google Analytics Dashboard for WP. Each of these plugins offers unique features that can significantly enhance your website's functionality and aesthetic appeal. By utilizing these tools, you can transform your website into a dynamic, engaging, and secure platform for your audience. So, what are you waiting for? Start exploring these plugins and discover the incredible potential they hold for your website.